Tariki ni 11 tinyo 12 umwaka wa 2023 nigo charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabonu maso chinga kingo kumanyamagana Amayia asinchira yobenge erietaria ne Dorcas Kemuma nigo tokwatanera Joshua Auta oyo kwene kinga okumanyira sinchira yimanyererio nere Abigail Nyanchama oyene kinga marugine chibicha agoikeire asinchira ire engekirano naboko yende gotubwatia gwetera asinchira ye mitandao asogotonyora mtandao Facebook na Ndizi TV News Digital na sensemo ya YouTube tunyamana Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya website tunya www.ndizitv.net ironya gotubwatia asinchira ire engekirano. Umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii simbarati nigatebuna nchirate ya arachigwa kana abantu chibesa bali bakorete emirimo embeo naboigo bali bakorete amagenderero embeo asekere serikali eri ya itete aigo atebire buna obokurumi nigo bwalenge igoromono ase serikali eri enkoro ye kaunti ya Kisii nigalenge kunyakwana yo chingakekeranete ase omuyego yomo ase chinsemo chama simba imeye kaunti ya Kisii.
Neto tofauti yake ina janga nyora basa nani kama enda mom is part of us. Yani DNA ito na boko nyori na mom yakote. You wonder for what reason? Even for the leaders who have been elected. Abara ibacho waliru na boko ate na mom endene kubwana na barobiskora. Actually, if you go to those leaders, you see them here, ask them, what has not Simba done? They don't have, oh, Simba has not done projects, oh, Simba has criminal gangs, oh, ask them which project. I came to the office, I got only 81 ECD classes for 10 years. Nachichia better building. 81 ECD classes. As we are talking, 1 year down the line, I've done 128 ECD classes. All roads in Kisii, most of them were hair projects. Hair projects. Ega kipare mbeo. Ebale koroko Nyamira Simba. Ande ndema koroko Simba Nyamira. Then when I came in, I found a payment bill of 1.6 million. I set a task force. After its finding, it got that we can only pay 201 million. Men of corruption were running away with 1.4 million.
Chingaki chomoyego yo abugoro nigo baigo omugavana we county ya Kisii simbarati agikeire ebikore byobwiti ebyabere bikoenekiwa imeye county ya Kisii ase amatuko abwangoiga nigo atebire buna ni agento gekwirira ebikore byo bigendrete koenekiwa nendamwamo ire ase gati y'abantu egento bono aboliri abarandi akorwa ase chikanisa chonsi kogikira ebikore byo naboigo aboliri abarandi abo kwene kingango saberani bare abarayi bare ase county ya Kisii.
They have started a lie in this town. In that lie, they have started killing young people. The only sin they have committed is they are associated with me. And those people, they are similarity, they are bad. I don't know what you want. Mimi kama Mungu hajapenda mimi kufa, siwezi kufa. Wacha kuua vijana bila sababu. They kill a young man here in town. A only mistake made, he was wearing a reflector. Written Simba. Wakabwana wakanyenyumu mmoja rigoti. Anda omwana oyo mukayale ngomulito omwana omutanga. We buried him. A month ago, They decided again to get another young man. Pikipiki yake vile Mungu ni mkubwa, wakaendesha wakaleta mpaka mbele ya kanisa, na kulikuwa na CCTV. Baadaye askari, our police officers who are supposed to keep law and order, they came to the church, they deleted that particular day event from the CCTV after they have killed that young man. The only, what else can we do better than any VA servant right? In the moment servant right? Our pastor right, I want to plead with you. We must condemn, even if it's Simbarati who is on the wrong, condemn the sin that I'm committing. We cannot entertain this sin. It will bury us, all of us, life. Let us condemn it.
Togos kamotio mwanchu murigeria omwe MCA we wode ya Boitanga eyo gotoka sebunge ya South Mugirango imeye county ya Kisii Porokongo nigatebremna erani garachi kogendera gokora emirimo no mugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati asekeri ekerenga kya yekenene nigo ekere kokorera abamenyi be wode yo amagenderero natari korigereria nga nkyamaki akorua nigo alikoye kwana yo chinka kekeranete ase moyega yomo imeye yensemo ya masimba abugoro chingaki atebetebunere ekerenga kyaye kenene no kwene kinga okoreire abantu baye amagenderero
biyama asama yega ko mushimo apolo kombo ayema nange ndora na byono lerisi ngetinda nje njole pati ya yire nje ni ko mushimo osoro kumugangere wati ya Boitanga South Mugirango kinacho wewe pati ya yeye ngaya ya Simba atinekaya uire ko ina nataka kwa na leo kitendo kwa wakati oyo kitendo mudero kwa leo akusubiri nje kwa msomo shimu osoro kama na kwa na waje watapata kile kile la city party kwa la waita magendo wote magendo mtake tena omo shimu hapo osono no na no shimu wale aonyo mena so ngata atia ele wate posi to ina ndio na kwa leo huyu ndio ndio kile ndio
Toko gendero mwanchumuria babwatani bense moyo basombi amone kyombe kiriage korigereria chipara NTSA nigo bono babekire tene ni chinsemo chiricha rorekanire koba omochando okubo konyora amibasukano ye chipara ase ime yense na sanene county ya Nakuru ya rorekanire koba ne county area emibasukane menge yaberege kwenekiwa asegeka kya wangoiga nigo boigo batemna nigo babekire seme choteneni unenchere ya moyo kwene kinga ngokora bale gosengo kyanya bale emibasokano ye chipara iyo gendete kobo mochando monene anene ase chinga kechiga abanta bange bagendete ne chitaro chabo chinga kiba gochikumira na bamwabo ase gochengera emeyega yesuguku nabo igoni go batebire ngani go bochikwene kinga amachikamo namaragwa ali abekira sense moyo basombi ngoikirani gwale na barundi amo nabo igo kubori abantu bonsi koba maiso basogo tumeka chipara.
Because we are in an accident hotspot where more often than not we get patients who are involved in accidents around from Nairobi, Naivasha, Nakuru, Naivasha Road, and sometimes Nakuru, Naivasha, Maimahiu. And this year alone, the first 6 months, the hospital has actually received around 1,200 victims of road traffic accidents, and out of which some of them are seriously injured, some of whom we manage in the facility and others we refer. And that is when the ambulance comes in handy when we are referring them to bigger hospitals like Nakuru PGH or Kenyatta National Hospital. At the moment, the hospital has a 2-bed capacity ICU, but we are aspiring to have a bigger capacity of closer to 15 beds. The building is on course, but we are also expecting the county government of Nakuru to assist us in terms of equipping, and also appealing to Kenya Roads Board. We can chip in because they have also assisted us in getting some orthopedic beds for our orthopedic department and some other orthopedic equipment that are assisting our orthopedic surgeons to manage the trauma cases that we normally have when we have accidents around.
Maigaye county ya Nakuru korekana gutwara omubaro munene bwa bantu baria abanyoreka gusebanyorire emibasukano ase chipara nigo bono babwatani bo basombi besokire na kuboria serikali kwene kinganko babwatisiere na boigo kubasira asoko konya abantu baria babeire bagwa kwano mu chando yobo emibasukano ye chipara anene ase okorwa obogwenya na boigo nigo batebye mna county yo enyagitari enene ye county yo nigo bono yabeire ekonyora bikore ebinge by'abantu bari banyorire emibasokano asekeria asegeka kemetenye etano no moniga abantu abange babeire bakoirwa ase enyagitari eyo egento kyabairere na gochakia morobiro bogosira abantu bari babeire bagwakwa no mochando yo emibasokano ye chipara nene ase bari abagwetera emechando ye kebongo nigo baboria serikali kwene kinganko basirere nabo igase serikali ye county eyo ya Kisii ya Nakuru baboliwe kubabwatisia eri kwene kingo konya bale abantu na nene gokyania emibasokano ye chipara ase county eyo ya Nakuru nigo boigo emibasokano eyo yabeirege kwene kigwa mono anene ase chipara ya Naivasha na gocha Nakuru na boigo ega para ya Maimayo gocha Nakuru.
The reason we are doing this is because of the fatalities that we are getting from road accidents countrywide. It is alarming when you hear, like now within 6 months we've lost over 3,000 lives. It is something to worry about, and because we oversee the road network in Kenya, it becomes our business. We must come and see how we can support with the resources we have. Because this is an emerging issue. Initially, our roads used to be designed without road safety audit, but since the inception of NTSA, it is something they have picked up, and we started with this northern corridor all the way from Mombasa to Malaba. We are looking at the whole design and identifying the black spots, and then coming up with recommendations on how some sections can be improved so that these fatalities can come down. As the board and even the National Transport Safety Authority, in collaboration, we look at. First, we have to ensure that we have safe designs of roads. We also need to ensure that we have safe vehicles on our roads. We also need to ensure that we have safe drivers. We also need to ensure that the vehicles are driven at safe speeds as per the design standards. And then we need to ensure that there is post-crash care management, and that's why we are actually here today, because a lot of lives can be saved if we have that post-crash care management that is effective. We've told the hospital to package.
Maigaye mbura yelnino kogendra gutwa ajikocha ase Chinsa imeyense ni gochi county au imeyense ya Kenya charo lekanire kwa no mowa nemo chando yobwe mbura yelnino ase county ya Kilifi ya beregati chi county chiri chakirwe nembure yo yelnino emo gavana bwe county yo ya Kilifi gido no mungaro na wigo bono babwatene namona babwatene bande kwena kinganko bwato kabaro bokonye ocha saba menyebe county yo abo babeire bagwa kwa no mochando yo obwenino asaba ntabange babeire bagotigwa abatabwati chinka cyabo chinibo cyabo gosiriwa nembura nabo igo abantabande gosiria magimabo ase emibasokano yechimbura nigo omugabano yo abwato kirobokonye ase arwa chindagera amone bintu byokorara ase chinsemecho eri abantabo banyore obokonye ase keriatemna ni barachikogenda gosira abantu baria babere bagwakwa no mochando yo obwembura yelnino.
Tano ya mchele, nimekuja na magunia 60 ya maharagwe, nimekuja na mabandali 60 ya unga, si wa kutosha, kwa sababu machifu na wazee wa vijiji ndio watakuwa wanagawanya vitu baadaye nikiondoka. Utapatia magodoro wale ambao wako klasini kwanza na neti.
Tukasema tukipata wataalamu, tunaomba tunapopata wataalamu kutoka kwa kaunti waje wafanye assessment. Wanaweza pia ikiwezekana tukajengewa mitaro kama vile niliojengewa kule Malindi, kama vile Your Excellency tulivyofanya.
Omwanju murige roboti oroigo yembura yelni nona rogutekeri omwaeri obramanganya Amayia ase enchira yobwenge se egekeiga korende na mange tugende tukwaregania aituraje kumanya ase Chinsa 10 na boigo ase ensa ya mogenda korigere Ndizi TV na bo bwansu bo Gusii erietari ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabatanere Joshua Auta oyo wena kingo kumanyiria ase enchira yebimanyererio nera biganya nchama oyena kingama ryogi chibicha gwikire ase enchira ayerenkirano twaroborigere byeme Ndizi TV na bo bwansu bo Gusii.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii.
Isawe chanda asora nyore chikeki chiogo chengera emeyega yao. Enyorro bokole liboro buya aseduka ya Villa Valentino woko koroseria chikeki chia kerengencho aseri goriri tariko goita. Ngorosi atore chikeki chimeyega au bunna chikeki chimeyega yenyangi, engagement cakes, anniversary cakes, birthday cakes, themed cakes, corporate cakes egatiye chikeki chinde chinyinge. Ningore nyorere keki ngi yeyokugania kwao asogo tutarira samaga chauru complex yogotoka imeyo mochobosongo asamanke gosekobeke oda yao twakere simi ase namba enoti Isano na Ibere enoti Ibere Isano nemo Isano na Ibere eyemo Isano nemo isato gose 0702267163 boigo ngorotora megerio yokorosia chikeki no kwerikia nigo kogenderete tonyorwa Villa Valentino enyorere keki nyansu na boigo eyokubanya kwao.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii. Umurobiri ukubwatia nigo bekirwe igoro y'imyaka 13 na igo abarinse y'imyaka iyo nigo barinse ya morokerio y'abayibuli.